Alright, so today I'm going to be working on camper, changing out this fixture. It's set so far back that it doesn't reach the whole thing, so we got this pull-out style that we're going to put in. It looks pretty much the same. The ends are compression fittings, so I picked up a couple adapters to go, what does it say here? I think that's 1/4 to 1/2 inch NPT. I'm surprised it doesn't say right on there, but that's the ones for the one I'm using. It's a little bit difficult to get to the plumbing. It's behind the drawers and back in there by the wiring, so I'm going to turn off the water and then we're going to open that up, and I put a towel down to kind of collect that water, and then I got to kind of reach back there and get the nut that's on the back right here, and then once I get it all out, we'll put the new one in. We'll put some silicone so that the water, you know, that always builds up right around here, it doesn't drip down in there and start rotting out everything. So that's the plan. Let me get this one out, and then I'll bring you back in and show you what's next.